Wanna know how to use pattern matching for instance of Java 17? So Java 17 has just made instance of smarter with simply pattern matching. So normally you'd like this, right? So this is simply repetitive. You check the type, then cast manually. Now in Java 17 you can just simply write like this. And there you have it. Type check and cast all in one line. This is called pattern matching for instance of. It's shorter, safer and cleaner. No risk of class cast exception. And that's it. Use it wherever you need to check and use object types. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.